One thing about uThumeka, akalifuni tu iqiniso loya mama, not uXolani telling uThumsthums ukuthi lalela makazi, you are legit the last person to judge me, okay? Because uThumeka was all in on uXolani telling him ukuthi, don't you have shame taking over your cousin's girlfriend, fiance even, because uZethu and Linkamfa were engaged. uXolani was like, I'm gonna take this opportunity to defend myself, okay? Makazi, you are legit the last person on this planet to judge me. You actually took your cousin's husband, okay? And your cousin was still alive. My situation is completely different because my cousin is no more, okay? And uThumeka, yes, Sana, you know, if the shoe fits Cinderella. Thumeka was like, how dare you speak to me like that, and release a hot slap. Not uThandeka defending her son. Uba like, lalela kaloku, soze Thumsthums, soze sana lwami, how dare you think you can slap my child like that, okay? And uThumeka uthi, hayibo, wena Thandeka awumvanga na ukuba uthetha nami njani. And uThandeka uba uthi nje uyaxoka na. And I'm just like, oh, Sana, I'm here for this two's drama. They've been friends for far too long. I'm here for the friendship collapsing. And I love it for uThandeka to stand by her son, you know, and vele in such cases you really have to stand with your son. I'm like, good for you, Thandeka, stand for your son, okay, defend your son. And I'm surprised why uThulani was just sitting right there next to Dabs and just looking at things like Haibo. Like he, at some point, he looked very, very, very confused. Anyway, the Mabantlas now knows about Zethu's pregnancy. Like, I don't understand uThumeka. At this point, I want Hlati to leave Thumeka, okay? Because I can't tell if Hlati is truly happy with uThumeka. uThumeka, on the other hand, she's like, okay, you know what? Zethu is pregnant. That's fine. We have to be part of the pregnancy. And uHlangathu uba like, no, I hambi kanjalo kaloku lento. You know, we have to wait for uZethu. Zethu has to be the one who is ready to come and tell us and inform us ukuthi no, she's ready. You know, she wants us to be part of her journey carrying the baby. But Sana, not uThumeka wants to take decisions for uZethu and be like, no, we are the grandparents, kaloku, you know, we have to be part of Zethu's child. Zethu was also very much disappointed finding out that uXolani went ahead and snitched on her. Zethu is like, you understand what you took away from me. I haven't even told my mom, and you have already told the Mabantlas, okay? Like, I really, really hate how Zethu was portrayed as a gold digger, someone who wants to be digging some gold, and the Mabantlas don't look like they have gold either. I'm like, what gold does Zethu want to dig here, okay? Now, as soon as Zethu's moms find out about the pregnancy, she will try her best to convince her otherwise, saying it's very difficult to raise a child alone now that Linkamfa is not even around anymore. Things are going to be extremely difficult for uZethu, and you know, to keep a baby is very much unwise. So it's going to be so tricky for uZethu because there are Mabantlas, people who have never really welcomed her nicely, are ready to welcome her now that there is a child involved. And there is her mom, someone who has supported her whole life. It's like, this is a bad decision, babe. This is a horrible, horrible decision. Do not keep that child. So I guess everything else lies within uZethu. The Mabantlas can fight all the ones. They can fight amongst each other. But Zethu is the only one who lies with a big decision ahead. Does she choose to keep the baby? Or does she choose to just put all this whole thing behind her and move on with her life? I do believe that if Zethu can choose otherwise, it will deeply hurt Utumega. But again, this is not about Utumega. So Zekasana. Sana, I just knew it that Xolani and Zethu's relationship will definitely come between Thandeka and Tumega's friendship. Now that everything is out, now that Xolani have told his family that Zethu is pregnant, and not only is Zethu pregnant, but it is Linkamva's child. Well, the old Tumega is back, calling Zethu all the names, saying that Zethu definitely wanted to trap Ulinkamva. Now, I don't know if Xolani will go further on and explain that she and Zethu are in a relationship and she has offered to help with a child. Now, that's what we gonna be saying this week. When I tell you that Cosmo drama is way better than the Sensen drama. Lalela, I just wanna live in Cosmo right now because they know how to deliver drama, okay? So, the Mabandlas are going through it after finding out the pregnancy of Zethu. And I think Xolani will do one of the most honorable things to step up and offer to be a stepfather in his ways. He says this is what Linkamva would have wanted him to do, to step up and be a stepdad to his kids. Now, I don't know, okay? I don't know. I do know that Tumega will be acting all paranoia. Tumega will go as far as slapping Xolani. This is when Uthandeka will be like, Sana, isibindi, iliva ekanakana, uyithathaphi iliva ekanakana, ukuzoqhwaba umntanami ngempama, you know? And, Utumega will be like, did you hear what he said to me? And then Uthandeka will be like, uyaxoka na. And I think, honestly, Xolani finally told Utumega a piece of his mind, what he really thinks of Utumega, that she is a hypocrite. I do think that Utumega is a hypocrite, and I do think that it's just a matter of time that Uhlazi realizes that, oh no, the old Utumega is back in surface. Now, I don't like how Utumega encourages Uhlanzi to cut off the contracts that he had with the Zondo Technologies. And for me, that was very much hypocrisy from Utumega. I'm just like, Hlazi, please, you need to leave this woman for your own sanity. Now, we will meet also Zethu's mom, who will be so concerned about Zethu, that Zethu is pregnant, and going as far as saying, Zethu, do you honestly think that pregnancy is a joke? Do you honestly think that pregnancy is something that you can play with? Do you think pregnant is something to play kids? But Zethu will try to defend herself. And honestly, Zethu is not in a good position, considering that the Mabandlas really do not want her except Xolani. I am like, I don't know, Zethu is the luckiest, and I'm grateful to Xolani for actually willing and going as far as what he is going to make sure that he supports Zethu. And he needs for Uthandeka. I'm like, yes, Thandeka, okay. Someone needs to stand up for Zethu, because definitely Utumega bully kesana, bully. Hey guys, now one thing that we do not know is how will Hlatzi's relationship work out now, okay? Hlatzi's relationship, how will it work out with his brother, okay? Because remember that Thandeka is married to Hlatzi's brother. Xolani is actually Hlatzi's nephew, because it's his brother's son. So I don't know if it will affect also their relationship, but I do believe that definitely Thandeka and Tumega's relationship forever ruined Gesana, and I am here for it. Oh, I don't know if this makes me a villain or what, but I am here for it. I'm here for the relationship being ruined. Tandega is relationship and Utumega. I want it to be tasted, and I want to see if really it is a real friendship because sometimes I just feel like really Utumega can not be friends with anyone. He is very, very selfish. This is why I'm like, okay, now it's time for us to test, really, is it a really friendship? Is it a real friendship? Oh, hi, shame. Utomega evil. I find it very, very hard to just reconnect with this woman based on her heart. Now, she refused to be grateful Guzetu, who gave a testimony as a witness. Appeal kalwandle. Listen, when I tell you that Utumega was more like, yeah, asibongeni uThixo, I was just like, Tums, oh, what do you mean? Let's thank God. I mean, yes, we should thank God. But in this case, you are supposed to be grateful because Uzethu didn't have to, Moreover, Uzethu is actually working for the Zondos. So for her to turn her back on the Zondos and not even care that in that point she is risking her job, but still she gave a testimony for Ulwandle. I mean, for the testimony that is favors uLinkamva, because she was in Linkamva's life and it also happened to her, and she was like, no, Ulwandle did not make a mistake on that night. Lwandle left us lying there, and it was definitely not a mistake. It's one thing to say you made a mistake by crashing a car. It's another to actually leave people that you clearly see that these people need your help. And Ulwandle, in that moment, in that instance, he left people that he could see that these people needs my help. So, I mean, yes, Uhlati had a talk with Utumega, which was about time. And, as much as Utumega was like, yeah, I see I might have been wrong, but I'm just like, I'm so over you, Tums. Meanwhile, the Zondos are fighting. It seems like Uhlengiwe was willing to do just about anything to get her son out of a prison. I don't know if I should say she acted as a mom or what, but yeah, Uhlengiwe even staged the attack Galwandle. Unfortunately, Mr. Zondo find out ukuthi Uhlengiwe staged the attack Galwandle. Not Uhlengiwe also pushing that Mr. Zondo must fire Uzethu. Like, Uhlengiwe is not a good mom. Like, she is not a good person. Let alone her not being a good mom. She's not a good person, because for the longest time, I was feeling like, okay, you know what? I feel sorry for Uhlengiwe. She's a mom, Any mom would do just about anything to protect their children, their son, But when she was also pushing the agenda of Zethu being fired, I'm just like, Uhlengiwe, no, you're taking it too far. Meanwhile, the Nguganas are still at it, trying to decide if they will put uAzande in a power. But it does seem like uAzande is not willing to back down. As much as Uzolega and Lazarus does not want to leave their company in the hands of Azande, as they feel like Azande is not yet ready to be a leader. But Azande is like, no, I'm tired of being treated like a child. I have been treated like a child for many times, and it stops here and it stops now. Right now, I am demanding what I feel like I deserve and it's due to me. Right now, I need to be in power. So, honestly, I do not know. I don't know if Lazarus and Uzolega will put Azande in power. I mean, Lazarus did say he still have just one more move in him, and we have not really seen him make his move. So perhaps they may not, I love the drama that Azande brings. I don't know if I'm toxic for it, but I'm here for it. I'm like, Azande, bring that drama. Bring it. I'm here for it, okay? Sana, we have a new forbidden love on Inimba. Yep, Uxolani is falling hard for Uzethu. In fact, they are falling for each other hard. When I say hard, I mean hard. Anyway, they decided that they're gonna just go ahead and date because, no one should control them based on what they should and shouldn't feel. Now, Uthandeka, Xolani's mom, is already aware of her son's feelings towards Uzethu. And shame, Bandla Uthandeka tried so much to reprimand Uxolani and tell him that no, to be in a relationship with Uzethu is not a good idea. If anything, it's a bad idea. It's a horrible idea. It's wada, but Uxolani is like, you know what, mama? I'm not about that lifestyle. Like, I'm not about that lifestyle. I'm not going to allow anyone to control me, tell me how should I feel and how I shouldn't feel. Anyway, this week we are also going to see and witness that Uhlati will also find out about this romantic relationship between Uxolani and Uzethu. It seems like our two young couples will not be able to keep their hands off each other. They will be so loving and, they will just want their hands on each other all the time until they are caught by Uhlati. Uhlati is going to confront everyone, even the parents. One thing that I like about Xolani, I must say, is the fact that he did ask for advice. He asked for advice from his dad. And his dad gave him a go ahead. He was like, it's okay if you like someone. It does not matter that she was once with someone that you happen to know. As long as you know that relationship is over and closed, you are within your rights to fall in love again. So I just wonder, will Xolani's dad, change his heart as soon as he finds out that his son is falling hard for Uzethu? Now, moving along to the Ngcugana drama, it is said that this is our last week seeing Lazarus and Zoleka as a couple, as Zoleka will be going on a 1 month break. However, Azande is demanding to be left as an acting CEO whilst Zoleka is on a break. He's like, listen, Zoleka, you are going on a break either way. Leave me as an acting CEO. And of course, Zoleka is not going to take it very nicely. And it is going to appear as if Azande is demanding, or rather blackmailing Zoleka and Lazarus. Now, one thing that we do not know is, are they going to give in to the blackmail? Are they going to give in to the blackmail? I strongly suspect that they are going to give in to the blackmail. Remember, Zoleka have a decision to make to try to protect Uqhawekazi as well. And she will just feel like, you know what, maybe this is the right thing to do in trying to protect Uqhawekazi as well. Because Uqhawekazi needs to be protected and made sure that she ain't going to prison. She ain't going to prison because right now it's just not looking good for Uqhawekazi as well. It's not looking good for Uqhawekazi. But Azande decided to keep a secret. But we all know Azande, he was just thinking for himself than for Uqhawekazi. Meanwhile, Lwandle is coming out. There was a hearing whereby the Mabandlas were opposing Lwandle coming out. Meanwhile, the Zondos, especially Lwandle's mom, Uhlengiwe, was pushing for Azande to come out. She was just like, listen, Azande needs to be out of prison. Azande needs and have to be out of prison. Lwandle, I'm sorry for saying Azande, Lwandle. And as a mom, she pushed everything that she could. There was a hearing. They also asked Uzethu to be part of the hearing, and Uzethu went there and just be like, no. What Lwandle did to us that day was very traumatic. Not only did he, crash on us, but he also left us there in the scene and just ran away like a coward and left us to bleed, So yeah, but it does seems like, you know, the law is law is sloppy. It does seems like Lwantle is coming back. He is going to be discharged. And I don't know how will the Mabandlas take the news. Lwantle being discharged, Olani and Zetu's relationship being public. Hey guys, I don't know.